Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely looking Jaguar 3 litre XF luxury premium model. It's in absolutely fantastic condition, as you can see. It's got front park distance control, upgraded alloy wheels, really set this car off. Just in lovely metallic blue. It's got the rear park distance control. So the boot area is in absolutely stunning condition, really been well looked after. It's an electric tailgate. Full leather interior, electric windows, electric mirrors, Meridian sound system, electric memory seats. Full leather interior, it's the sport seats, absolutely lovely. Car has done only 99,913 miles. Just going to be serviced, just going to be MOT'd. It's got a satellite navigation, reverse camera. Love the way the air vents come up and down on this. Got multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and paddle shift, aux and USB, Bluetooth, fully loaded, drives absolutely lovely, it's like you're floating on air. DJH, we've got full dealer facilities, include finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please contact 503 751 005. Thank you.